Today we are going to build the brain of our little AI YouTube advisor. The thing is, when you use AI, you have no idea what kind of data it uses to give you counsel. And since you don't define this data, AI just takes the more or less common knowledge that everybody gets on the internet. So the big trick is to give your AI the good data. And here is the whole challenge. The first reflex I had when I wanted to build this knowledge base for this AI YouTube advisor was to go to YouTube and search for videos that show you how to be successful on YouTube. But then I was thinking about it and I realized that this is actually not real science, because the videos that I'll see are the videos that the algorithm has chosen for me. And first of all, they tell their own story, they tell their own experiences, and probably I see these videos not because their stories are true, but because they had a good hook or a good packaging, and that's why I see this video. So if I start to choose videos or content myself, this will be totally biased and I won't get the real information. So the solution is the following, and please stay till the end because I will show you how you can implement that in whatever LLM that you are using and get a professional tool that gives you really practical and informed answers. So in all this noise, in all the information that is hidden in the internet and on YouTube or whatever, where is the truth? And here it's impossible to find it by yourself. But we have these wonderful little tools that are called AI and that can actually help you do that. So the solution is actually the following. I asked an LLM to generate a prompt to do a deep search on the topics that I was interested in, namely, for example, thumbnail generation, title generation, hooks, attention, and I asked, and the prompt that it generated told me to actually research through white papers that Google has published, from YouTube, documentation, where they actually explain the algorithm, how it works. So not only I have the source data, but I have a data that is up to date, because I asked the prompt asked to search only data relevant from the last 3 years. So how can you retrieve what is correct, the information that is actually worth a lot? So I give here a prompt, and as usual, you simply pause the video, make a screen capture, and then paste the screen capture into an LLM and ask the LLM to rewrite this prompt, and so you can simply copy paste it wherever you want. With tools like Gemini and ChatGPT, you have up to 5 deep searches that are included in the free accounts. So you can do this for free. So a good idea is to plan to let your computer run a little time. And so you simply select deep search, and then you paste this prompt and you let AI do the job. And it gives you a kind of framework that you can then use as your knowledge base for the gem, or as we will see, for whatever LLM that you are using. So now you probably think that again we need to finish to build up this gem so that we can use these knowledge bases. That's not true. The gem will simply automate some things, but you can do now already very good research with this tool that we generated. Simply, when you go into any LLM that you're using, you paste this as a resource, and when you make a prompt, you say, based on the research paper that I have added here, please counsel me how to make a title for my next video, or counsel me how to script my next video. So this is very easy to use, and you will have data that is not based on hearsay, but really based on how the algorithm works. And this is, you're going to the source, and this is so powerful because nobody really knows the source, and you have a step, you're a step in advance on everybody else. Okay, now we have our identity pillar. We have our knowledge base. Now, the next thing that we're going to do, and that's why I would like you to subscribe so that you can follow along. In the next step, we are going to build the feedback loop, where we actually help the AI to learn to get better. So stay around and make sure to follow for more. Thanks a lot for watching.